Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. Invaded birds.
One of them had a bird's tail stuck in there. Oh, look at that one standing right there all alone. Oh yeah, run away from it. That works. Look at that one with the polka dot head. That was pretty.
One car didn't even know.
It's funny when a car comes.
Look at her eyes.
Yeah, look at you.
Yeah?
Feeding them?
Not high. Just watching the birds get run over by cars.
They're not getting run over by cars. We know what we're doing. Thank you. I appreciate it. Bye.
This is aggravating trying to get out my car.
Well, your car's over there, so have fun.
I'm gonna do it anyway.
You should throw it at her car.
Well, we're gonna do it. I go to my door.
Just no, close it.
We should, huh? How can you be so stupid? It's aggravating getting in my car.
The car's right there. The birds are over here.
I'll throw some up there so I can go in her car. Here, give me some.
Give me some too.
Do it. Do
No.
it. Do it.
You're not being
Give me some.
Fred, you're not doing that.
I'm gonna feed the birds.
Alright, come on.